Hi everyone, my name is Julia, and this is my midterm assignment project for Business 410 class. The topic that I would like to talk to you about is high school graduation rates in the US, and I will be using Tableau to present some visuals and explain the numbers. I did some research and found the following facts on this topic. So, according to US Department of Education and National Center for Education Statistics, in 2017, the average graduation rate for US public high schools was at 84%. That means that more than 4 out of 5 high school students earn a diploma in 4 years. So, why is that important? According to America's Health Rankings, educational achievement is a strong predictor of future health outcomes. Higher educational accomplishment is associated with better jobs, higher earnings, increased health literacy, better self-reported health, and fewer chronic conditions. So let's use Tableau and data to see a picture of how the numbers look. So I used the site that I mentioned already, National Center for Education Statistics. This is U.S. Department of Education website, and they have a lot of data that you can find related to education, school, colleges, and etc. So I was able to retrieve data for high school graduation rates for 2017 and downloaded the data. So here we go. We have states and we have graduation rates, and let's work on this. So let's drag state to rows and graduation rate to columns. Choose the Show Me button. And now we see the states. And let's change the color. Something like this. And we have to label the states. So we're going to drag state to label. And let's do the same with graduation rate. Also label it. We want to show the percentage. So we're going to go to graduation rate, format, numbers, use percentage, decimal place. So now we have a map. It's labeled. Now we see the state, the average rate of graduation. So right away we see, for instance, New Mexico with the number 71.1, and according to data, New Mexico has the lowest average graduation rate, and while Iowa has the highest. So Iowa is right here, 91. Despite the increased rates, there are still significant differences in graduation rates among different racial ethnicities and states. For instance, according to Education National Center for Education Statistics, Blacks, Hispanics, Native Americans, and Alaska Natives graduate at lower rates than Asian and white students. Let's add this information to our map and see how it looks. So I would also want to make some formattings to show percentage, and I will do the same as I did before. Percentage 1 and format percentage to 1. And the same for Hispanic. Okay, so now we have a full picture. So for instance, Oregon, we have graduation rate at 76.7 and breakdown by ethnicity. I would like to do another visual. So by adding ethnicities, and state. So let's use show me button again. And here we go. We see all different colors that represent ethnicity in each state. We can also make some formattings again. Percentage, just like we did before. Go. Oops. And the last one. So here we go. Here we see all the states. We can also do some filtering by maybe choosing just some random states by going to state filters, unselect, and let's, for instance, choose some 5-7 states like Arizona, Delaware, for instance, no, Missouri, Oregon, South Carolina, Utah, and Washington. So click OK. So here we see the difference of graduation rates among different ethnicities. What's great about Tableau, it's simple and very effective tool that helps to create interactive data visuals very quickly. So from raw data that we had right here to colorful visual, it helps to find the model that best represents the message. So let's put it all together on the dashboard. I'm gonna go to state and edit the filters. Again, I'll select all right here and go to dashboard, drag the map, and another visual. So just like this, we have two visuals with all the information. And again, the information was provided by U.S. Department of Education and National Center for Education Statistics. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching.